Hello friends, welcome to Rain's Kitchen and Garden. My name is Rain. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious homemade coconut butter. All you need is coconut and a high-speed blender. It's super easy. All you need is some unsweetened shredded coconut, and I have some here, and you need a high-speed blender. I am lucky enough to have this Vitamix blender, and it works wonders to make things nice and smooth and creamy. Now this bag here contains 340 grams of unsweetened shredded coconut. So let's see how many cups that is. I'm going to put that into the Vitamix. Just going to pour it right in. Oh, that's quite a bit. Let's see how much that is. That comes to 4 cups almost, just under 4 cups of unsweetened shredded coconut, okay? And I wanted to show you this as well. This is called a tamper tool. It comes with the blender. Now, I may need this to push, to tamper down the coconut, and it fits right into the top of the blender like that. And the tamper tool is made so that it can go on top of the blender as it's moving, but it's never going to be long enough. See, it fits right inside there. It's not going to be long enough to hit the blades. It's made that way specifically. So I've got the top on the blender, and I'm basically going to start it on low, and I'm going to put it on its highest speed. And I'm going to let it go for about 30 seconds. If I find in between that the coconut isn't moving or anything like that, I'm going to stop it and I'm going to put the tamper on top, and then I'll use it to push down the coconut into the blades. This gets pretty loud. So let's do this. Okay, so as you could see, it all kind of got stuck, so I'm going to have to use the tamper tool as I'm blending it. So here we go again. It's loud, isn't it? All right, let's taste this. First, I want to show you the texture. It's nice and creamy. And isn't that amazing? We didn't add anything to it. Okay, so I'm going to taste this. The dogs are all around me. All right, let's see. Definitely coconutty. I would say a little more pasty than creamy. but it's got a slight sweetness to it. And I think this would be good in baking. I think this would taste good also in my yogurt, but it's great as a sweet snack as well. I mean sweet, you know, it's not sugar, but it's sweet. It's got a sweetness to it. So I'm pretty pleased with this. I'm glad that I tried it. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give it a like and please do subscribe. If you don't want to miss out on future videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell for more home cooking. Don't forget to leave me a comment. I love your comments and I reply to all of them. And please share this video with anyone you might think will enjoy it. Thanks again for watching, my friends. I'll see you next time on Rain's Kitchen and Garden. Bye!